families have to recover alongside of you. We're introducing someone who's struggling to recovery, but we also have to introduce that family to recovery.
Today we know that addictions and addictions recovery is very important, even more important than ever actually. And Meridian's continuum of care helps solve that problem. They bring these speakers into their various communities, and in those communities people get to talk and exchange ideas, they get to meet each other, they get to see what's happening in their own communities, hear about where they can help out.
The demand is incredible, it's not gone away, and it's important to have a speaker like Herren that offers a lot of credibility regarding the issue, his own story, his personal story of recovery. And for folks in the community, it energizes them because they're a part of the solution, more increased education and awareness.
Anytime you get a chance, right, to talk about recovery, it's a blessing. Anytime you get a chance to show people, to change the face, to change the culture, you know, I think we put way too much focus on the worst day and we forget the first day. I think our children are shown drug addicts and how bad it gets in the end rather than asking them why it's beginning. So, you know, that's kind of been my purpose over the last 10 years.
So one of the big things that we're working with the prosecutor's office right now is the overdoses that we're having. We're having several overdoses throughout the community. And what we want to try to do, we want to focus on the cause of the overdoses, where the drugs are coming from. You know, a lot of the people that come to the Delaware County Jail, they don't need to be in jail. We don't want them in jail. That's not what we're trying to do. We've got to try to get them the help that they need to reduce the recidivism and so they don't come back to our facility.
When people come to us, they expect to get help. And so one of the things that we're trying to do is we're trying to create resources and a safe place for people who are addicted to substance to be able to get the help that they can.
In order to help address these type of crises that we're in right now with the opioid epidemic, this have to have awareness, and this is a great venue to be able to bring that awareness out in front of the public. It allows different people to be talking from different perspectives, having a notable person coming in and kind of giving their personal experience, but then also hearing both the legal, the prosecution side, the medical sides of the problem at hand.
Meridian, as one of our community mental health centers, is so important there to provide that safety net for our communities. Meeting those who are most vulnerable in our cities and towns across the state and ensuring that there is someone there to provide that mental health treatment or addictions treatment.
Anything that can help raise awareness of the problems that we have in our community are essential because that's the only way we can get all the different community partners together, and not just together, but together on the same page, because otherwise we're just coming at a problem from different angles and not confronting the problem as a whole, and more importantly, the underlying problems that are causing the bigger issues that we see in our community.